This is T212 computer system. Which of the following is an appropriate explanation of a plasma display? A. An electron beam is discharged from an electron gun, and light is emitted when the beam hits a fluorescent material on the surface of the tube to display characters and images. B. It has a structure in which an organic compound is sandwiched between electrodes, and displays images through the use of light emitted when electricity is passed through this structure. C. It does not emit light by itself, so it uses a backlight to display images. D. It displays images using light emitted from a gas discharge. So a plasma display is a display in which a gap between two thin glass plates is filled with neon or xenon gas, and an electrical discharge is produced by applying a high voltage to the gas. UV rays or ultraviolet rays are then generated by this electrical discharge that then hit red, green and blue, RGB are the three primary colours of light, fluorescent material on the surface of the glass, and light is emitted. Therefore, the description in D is the most appropriate. At present, the power consumption is not high, and in some cases, power consumption is actually reduced by the addition of the backlight used in liquid crystal displays. So now let's look at the other options from the question. A. This is a description concerning the CRT, or cathode ray tubes. These tend to be much larger devices where they have a larger depth to the screen themselves. B. This description is concerning an OLED, electroluminescence display. An OLED structure in which thin film of an organic substance is sandwiched between electrodes, and this structure has been put into practical use in some places. Unlike liquid crystal displays such as TFT, a light source is not needed, so the structure can be slimmed down to become as thin as a film. Finally, in C, this is the description concerning liquid crystal displays such as TFT, thin film transistor. Since the display itself does not emit light, a backlight is installed at the back or the side of the display as a light source. So here our answer is D, and in this video we've discussed some of the different types of displays that can be used across the market and how these work in a very brief description.